When you go to Google, search these. Very nice. Go search. Scroll, 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 scroll until you find these. This one. Okay, these. Maybe you're not sure. So look. No more. The rest is fake. Let's check this one though. K. Motherfucker. Woohoo. Free version. Clack. What the flap? Oh my god. Come on, bro. What the flap? Forget that. Just go here. Then you find these. Oh my god. Then you find these. Click it. Wait for 5 seconds. You will download file from Save. Click details. Wait for download. Milestone. While that go download, let's delete this. While that go download, watch my introduction on YouTube. Magic. Sycamore. And these are rare things I found on Minecraft. This is mustache shape, whatever. Ravine, yes. And I found this abandoned portal with chest on the side. Beautiful. I fix it and I go through it and it's stupid. I try to fix it but it go crazy. Wow. Check Google. Click on downloads. Almost there. Keep waiting. I shall post this on my YouTube. Go to YouTube. Get that out of here. Go to YouTube. Go to this channel. I will post here. Okay, I'll post it. Okay. Let me find set. Yes, sure. Copy link. I got the messenger. No. I go here and paste. Make sure to share to your friends my account on YouTube. Beautiful. Go back to Google. Check again. Almost there. Wait. There we go. Click. Beautiful. Then you do this. Wait for done. I skip this. Click done. Go up. Wait. There you go. Super. Look at that, bro. Oh yeah. And that's how you download Minecraft. The flippity flip flopper. Get the Erhi. And that's the end of this video. Bye bye.